Okay, recording, huh? Hello, hello. Can you hear me? Okay. So now let's talk about failure. How many of you like to fail? How many of you get scared when you fail? Oh, mother scold me. Oh, everybody. How many of you get scolding? By a wise man? You all know my style, lah. Huh? Actually, I'm not supposed to advise now. Whoever is failing, getting 10, 11, 12, 13. How many of you got failing Chinese? Get 0 for Chinese. Okay? Write this down. Celebrate. Parents, please don't scold your children. Celebrate. You must be thinking, celebrate? Yes. Because if you only want to celebrate when your children get A, B, C, D don't want to celebrate, then your children is going to be all so much in fear. Then they will try, they are going to work hard, they're going to be in school, they will be in tuition out of fear of getting scolding by you. That is a very dangerous move. If you see my children, say, there's one child getting 100 for BM, 100 for this one, 90, 80, 100 for Chinese. Got a few students getting 100 for Chinese. How? How come all getting 100 for Chinese? Have you seen or not people getting 100 for Chinese, 100 for BM? 100, not 99, 100. Do you want your children to get 100? Want or not? How many of you want? Sifu, I got 100. Sifu, 100. So, number one, remove the fear in your children. How do you do that? Parents, write this down. Write this down. Remove fear from your children. How to remove? Number one, smile. Come, smile. Smile. Okay, Sifu. Yes. Oh, okay. Smile every day. Can smile. Kavishna, you don't put serious face, huh? I'll talk to your father about this. Okay, smile now, faster. Okay, smile. No smile, cannot join my class. Okay, all my smile. Come, everybody smile. Okay, number two, celebrate. Celebrate. Why you guys are not celebrating with your children if they get 20 for class? Why? Huh? I only want to celebrate at 100. Celebrate at 20. Okay, celebrate. Okay, children. Your parents never celebrate with you. You tell me. I will talk to your parents. Celebrate. Okay, celebrate. Oh, my children got 20. Oh, very nice. Celebrate. Because when you celebrate with your children, they feel happy. They want to do more. Then they have the motivation to study more. They want to come for class. You want all that to happen, right? All that cannot be done with fear. Our time is different, parents listening to me. Our time is different. Our time is fear only can move very well. These children cannot move with fear. They have to move with love. So to do that, number one, smile. Okay, Geraldine, number one, smile. So the teachers call you also, Geraldine's mother listening to me, this is for you, If the teacher tell you, your daughter cannot your daughter failing what is this okay, what you gonna do here now, Geraldine and your mother, you all pack together, You are gonna scold your daughter in front of the teacher. You are very naughty you blah 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 blah, right? After you come out from the class, go makan. Okay, can go makan. Then you also, Geraldine, you also cry a bit. Oh, sorry ma. Then go out, go makan ice cream. Okay. You do this. Now, your Geraldine's mom, I don't know what's your name, okay? Geraldine's mom just celebrate with your children. Okay? Celebrate. When you do this, you don't have to even go for tuition also. You see your daughter will do very well in school. I guarantee you.
Good. I'm grandma.
Oh, grandma. Doesn't matter. Grandma, mother. Do not ever scold your children. Okay, write this down somewhere. Do not scold your children. Do not give expectation to your children. They are children. Let children be children. Okay, this is not SOP in a company, KPI, all that, no need. Let children enjoy their childhood. Correct or not? Ria, Rim and Yao. Correct. I want to enjoy, Sifu. I want to enjoy, yes. Because when they enjoy only, they can grow. They cannot grow in fear. Okay, to be good to your grandchild. Tell your children to be good to your grandchild. I like this, look. Okay.
Good morning, teacher.
Yes, good morning. Okay? I'll tell one more time, okay? Celebrate with your children. Never scold them when they don't do well. Because they will perform out of fear. When they perform out of fear, if they don't do well, they're gonna get scared. This is very, very dangerous for them later on in life. Okay? Then they don't want to tell you a lot of things already because we'll get scolding. So when you celebrate with them, you give love with them, then they want to do it because they want to do it. Parents listening to me, children must do because they want to do, not you ask them to do. Not the teacher want them to do.
My father was so scold.
Tell your father, hey, don't scold me. Sifu say, don't scold me. Oh, okay. Okay. So parents don't scold. Okay, celebrate with them. They get 10 lah. So what? 10 lah. What can you do? 100 ah. Okay. Oh, my other friends' children all getting 90, 100. My children are getting 10. That's their friend children lah. This is not your family, right? Can you see or not, parents? You're comparing your child with another child. That's wrong already. Everybody is playing their own game. You do not compare your child with another child. That is their children. That's their problem. Unless you are feeling insecure because they are doing well, that's your problem. You don't bring this problem to your children. That's not fair. That's selfish. Correct or not? Fail lah, 0 lah. Okay? Because when they are moving smoothly, when they are enjoying themselves, you want them to grow. Okay? You want them to do very well, not to compare yourself with your friends. Okay? Correct or not? Okay? So you do this. When you do this, you see your children doing very, very well. Now, when your children doing very well, everybody following me, they'll get 80, 90, 100, no problem. They'll be fluent Mandarin. I also lost track how many students I have become fluent. And most of them are getting 100, 100, 100, 100. Why? I remove expectations. I celebrate. You follow this formula. Okay? And another thing, when your children getting 100, do not brag about your children. Oh, my son got 100. What about your son? Please don't do that. Okay? Don't. Then you have ego issues already. Then you have to deal with yourself. Okay? Lakshana, all okay? Bole. Okay? So you do this. Okay, Geraldine, enjoy. Yes. So if you get 0 out of 10, okay, I got 0. Go makan. Okay, come and tell me I got 0, Sifu. Oh, I'm a person that celebrate with failure. If you get A 100, that's great. But if you get 0, I celebrate also. Because I don't care. You get 0 or 100 or 50, I don't care. The deal here is I want you to enjoy yourself when you're with me. Okay? Enjoy. Oh, enjoy. Oh, I cannot speak Mandarin also. Never mind. Enjoy. Okay? Alright, let's get started. Okay. Yes. Okay. I recorded already.